Hello, viewers. Hello, brothers and sisters. Hello, fellow Nigeria. Hello, everybody all over the world. Hello. Please share. We have a lot to say today. The message go to German First Lady and Avialele. So we have to pray before we start. Oh Lord God, my Father, omnipotent God, omniscience God, I am that I am, the ancients of day, I call upon you this hour, O Lord. Anything we are going to discuss here today, let it be successful, O Lord. Oh Lord God, my Father, omnipotent God, omniscience God, I cover everyone here today with the blood of Jesus. I cover my life with the blood of Jesus. I cover everybody that are going to come across this video with the blood of Jesus. For in Jesus' wonderful name I pray. Amen. We have to play a little music before we start. Share. Hello, yati we back in live video. Ya finish. Yati we back in live video. Koje. Share. Hey, mi amor de Becky, ven a mi amor de Becky, usa yo movimiento. Hey, mi amor de Becky, ven a mi amor de Becky, usa yo movimiento. Share. Hey, mi amor de Becky, ven a mi amor de Becky, usa yo movimiento. Share. We are going to speak about that my sister Jama lady and Avialele. Network. Share. We have a lot to say. Because every one of us, we are women. This kind of thing at all, where we see that something is going wrong, we need to interfere on it. Share. We're not talking here. Share to your friend, share to your brother, share to your sister. We need to say something, because what is this thing? Something that is going viral is not really good. This thing is an abomination. Very bad. Please, sorry, my network. I don't know what is wrong with my network. Okay. Share. I need to speak with somebody. I need to talk to somebody. We have a lot to speak here today. Because if something is going wrong, it's somebody that will interfere on it. So we need to interfere on it. Mostly we women. We women, we need to speak about this thing. It's getting out of hand. No. If the music is for... What is it? Network. What's the network in it? I don't know what is wrong with the network. Share. I'm not seeing anybody. We have a lot to say. Share. Share to your brother, share to your sister, share to your friends. Share. I don't know what is wrong with the network. So let me just start. The network is really getting out of hand. So I don't know what is wrong with the network. So my brothers and sisters, my fellow Nigeria, everybody all over the world, please, you people come to listen to what we are going to say here today, because this thing is for everybody. Because what is really happened is not good at all. It's very, very bad. Favor Patrick Osagi. May God bless you. Thank you. Share. We are going to discuss about German first lady, where it's already buried the name, but in short, I don't know. This behavior, their behavior is getting, they are doing the wrong thing. No. They are giving us woman stain. Every woman, they stain us. This is very, very bad. Don Patrick Osagi. God bless you. So please share. We need people to talk to. We need people to speak with. We are going to say the truth, either devil like it or not. So my message go like this today. First of all, let me finish with Avialele first. There is a video I see today. I was ashamed of myself when I'm watching it. I watched the video from a parallel platform. Just look at the disgrace you people give to women in Europe. Just look at this disgrace where you people give to people in Europe. Just look at this Europe. It's not only Nigeria is here. Why are we disgracing ourselves in social media? The social media made by white people. They made it for a purpose. It's not to disgrace yourself, disgrace every fellow human being. No. Why are we using it wrong like this? Why? Okay. A human being was doing. Yeah. Use because of the way some of them get bad character. Just listen. Even though you don't see the something, you see it because it shows. Europe, waka Italy, waka France, waka Germany. Una just the waka torrent. Una just do someone go Torio. I don't know. If una not call for Facebook, una call for Instagram, una call na Facebook na be just una headquarter to quarrel each other. You get one young Nigerian guy for Germany and the guy bishop with this. We won't start to go school so that a career will feel eyes more, so that all these German people they feel respect her.
Now so Nigeria.
Share.
You can't go for this country. Now school you can't go for this country.
That is how the
school?
people mind.
3 to 4 years. That time we don't make every year. I the guy take go to school.
Network. Pardon? That useless talk is this? What is wrong with you? So, what this man is really saying, he said there is he get one boy where he did this Europe.
You don't listen to me.
Thank God. Jesus Christ. So, he said this boy, as he reach, he start school. People was deceiving this man, say, why are you going to school? What are you going to get from school? When you go to the school, nothing. Oh. He said the boy, he not even mind them. He start his school, he continue his school. So after that, this boy finished the school. He got his own hospital, certificate. He start work. As he start work, they honor this boy more than the people that do the book there. Now me they talk am. If you not go school for Germany, you not go work school. You just go start work. Now le book you they do. Le book. They can pay you any amount they like. But when you go to the school, you do the hospital, you will gain it. We do something for a future. Not that you don't want to eat today, you forget your future. 9. Very, very bad. Why we Nigeria we are so hurry? That one be not join my message today at all. But as he joined this parallel message, because now it just starts. You understand? Because now this Avelele, I make me Avelele and the German lady. Now make me just come out today. Not because of this boy. But as he talk and I say make her try to make my people understand the advantage and the disadvantage where they Germany. Not be say you dey country, you not go to school, you not fit speak the language. I know say not be school there for the hear the language. But just go to the school, may you for learn their work. If you learn now, you go to you get the certificate with you. Office where you go for work, they too honor you. They too honor you. But if they do like book and that's what they go use you. You go bang before you retire. So we need to know that. So this Avele Leon. This thing don't play. I don't know why. Avele, the thing just vexed me. It really annoyed me today. Why? We gonna behave like say sense not there with us. Why? Okay, you just come out, so continue to bring your nyash out. They talk all sorts of words where be say you no even join. Why? Why are we disgracing ourselves? You say you can't disgrace person now, then you disgrace yourself. Your video go viral. The person where you with and they deal with each other for social media, you don't not go like that. So your video go viral. I don't see how many people where don't talk about you. Why? We need to get more shame. Not be say everything you just carry your. Now let you get the buttons. The buttons full everywhere, my dear. It's full everywhere. You need to, if you respect yourself. If you don't respect yourself, they will turn you to a rag and the foot match. You can't mean anything from them. Even the Oibo well now, they say, that's why Oibo now important. You fall your people's hand for front of white people. If maybe something they pursue you from outside, they come people. Why? Why we are like this? Everything in Nigeria change. Not only Nigeria. We are not only one in Europe. Why our words so I don't know. I don't understand. If you people don't do that, you will be fighting in social media. They don't make social media for fight. 9. It's made for a purpose. Do better thing there. Do something that will make people to be happy. You just like you are a celebrity. You understand? Can you use fight to celebrate? Can you use fight? Can you fight for people to be watching? Everyday saga, today saga, tomorrow saga. Even old mama, old papa, everybody. Please, we need to limit this thing. I'm ashamed. If I want to even say in anywhere I said I'm in Nigeria, I first of all look my back. It's not supposed to be so. In Nigeria, in Nigeria, mostly I don't have money. Why? Please, you people have to stop this rubbish. If you people, if you are not ashamed, other people is ashamed. We don't want to see all this rubbish anymore. Stop. You are a mother. You reach to advise. If you are doing this, what will you expect your own children to do? Tell me. You bring your buttocks outside. Look at my, is it not shaking? My dear, buttocks full everywhere. You remain. You hear? Please stop. Don't do it again. Somebody offend you. If you get the person number, if you don't have it, look for the number. You will get it. Before you find it for 2-3 weeks, you will get the number. Talk one-on-one. Not that you will come to social media, continue to misbehave. No, it's very bad. Please stop. Don't do it again. Then, Madam German lady, I come to you. My dear, thinking that you are doing, that is not the best thing. Thank God that because of you I play this music. I don't know why my network they misbehave. They fuck me up. Fine. That mommy, that's your husband mother. It's a mother to you. It's everything to you. Let me just quickly clarify you one thing before I start your topic. Myself, I'm talking to you now. Yeah, well, I know people will be saying, hey, you see me, my dear. Can you imagine? As I be, I am married for Nigeria before I leave. I'm well married. Married. What do they call her married? I'm married. My family love my husband. All my family love me. But you know, out of the whole family, you go see the one who don't love you. Everybody not feel love you. But some of them, they don't want. Why? Because I'm not speaking their language. That is what they say. That is the excuse they give when people are asking them, what is woman really do? And say, hey, it didn't come from my village. Fine. You know, all those life is just like ignorant life. So before my husband's mother died, she really sick. What caused sick? He live in village. But I from Benin, dress up, go and meet that woman in village. I care for her. Take her, if she wants to go bed, I take her to bed. I raise her up. Is anywhere she are now, she will be looking at me. And I didn't see her, but she see me. Her spirit see me. I do everything for this woman to save. We go to different hospital. We go to different native doctor. No way. So the day she want to die, I never know that she's going to die that very day. She just called me, my daughter. He sit me down. That time he have 2 grandchildren. He said, I want to eat with my grandchildren. I went to go and make the food. When I make the food, they say, bring my 2 grandchildren because they have to eat with me. I bring, because the 2 children, they are just a little children. He cut a little food in their mouth. Later, he say, hold me very well. I carry her, I sit her down very well. He take my 2 hands. He pray on it. After the prayer, then he just do it like this. Shall be well with you, my daughter. After this, no talk to 2 seconds, she give up. I say, I see that he's not breathing anymore. Because I sit on his back. After the prayer, he say I should sit on his back. I sit on his back. I say, hey, what happened? This woman is not shaking again. Don't talk again. Don't breathe again. Immediately, I lie her down. I cover her with clothes. I go out. Because my husband was in the parlor. Maybe if I tell my husband, because not maybe, I know he loves his mother so much. He can shout, I can't hold him. I go to the family house. I want to go and tell them, see what happened. When they are crying from the family house to my husband's father's house, that is where my husband knows that his mother is already late. I know the prayer is really helping me today. It's helping me. You understand? Nobody don't make mistake. Even though this woman do anything to you, it's not your, you don't have the right to answer her. If it is your mother have a male child, I believe. If your brother wife come to your mother, insult your mother like this, what will you say? Or just come to public and open and close in public, what will you say? Will you be angry or not? And secondly, you are a mother. You said the other day, every time I watch your video, you say you have either 3 boys or 1 girl and 1 girl. I even see you where you people in McDonald's, where you are in a shopping center. I see you people. Okay, those children now tomorrow where they will marry, after the suffering, they will marry. Then one daughter-in-law will come and throw useless matter to you as according to what you are doing. So what will you feel? Can you like it, my dear sister? And secondly, you said your husband mother come to your house. It's very, very bad when you people even say it out of your mouth that your husband mother come to your house, he go to kitchen and prepare food. No. First thing, if you are a responsible housewife, as you wake up in the morning, you have to, if it is Nigeria, you ask her, mommy, are you going to use hot water to bath or cold water? You serve water for her to shower. From there, mommy, what are you going to eat? You go to kitchen and prepare the food. Tradition is tradition. Of Europe, you people cannot change Nigeria tradition. If you know you can't bow down for your husband mother, you better marry to a white man. Better. No need for you to marry to a black man. Because we have tradition. You understand? That woman, no matter, you say you bring a wife from, children from Nigeria. I don't know how you make that word. Fine. Is it easy to bring children from Nigeria to Europe? Is it easy? How long are you been in Europe? How many people did you bring to Europe? If it is easy. And secondly, fine, when you go to your husband mother's house, because that is the statement the woman made the other day, say, I asked you to wash toilet. That is where the problem comes from. It's not, the woman don't supposed to tell you to wash toilet. You know what you're supposed to do yourself, because you are a wife to that house. The woman is not a slave to you. You are a wife to the family, not even that man you come to marry. You come to marry the family, the entire family. You come to marry them. If you don't know how to marry, that's because of that I come out today to tell you. If you know you want to be a housewife, be a good housewife, be a responsible housewife, there is something you will do. Your children will grow up tomorrow and meet it there. You don't know that the family may tell you that these children, until you do what you're supposed to do, we don't recognize them. It can happen. It can happen. It can happen because it's tradition. What come over you? Who is pushing you? That person that is pushing you wrong. I want to let you know, it's pushing you wrong. It's not easy for a woman to bring her children to Europe. It's not easy. Even the daughter that is still siding you people, you just come out and disgrace your mother. You think you do the right thing, or they will call you a better human being, or your brother wife will love you. My dear, if you are a Benin woman, listen to my parable. Irresponsible. I don't know how I will put this thing. If you don't have sense, now your mother will pray to you, say, hey, what you did to me, my dear, as you do me, now so your pikin go do you. If you not get sense, now you go say amen. If you get sense, you need to sit down very well and reason, what did I do to my mother? Is it good or bad? Before you say amen. You understand? What you did to your mother-in-law is coming back, my dear. Just very soon here. If the thing is too long, it will be 20 to 25 years. You meet her. And you still come out and make that comment that, I sponsored the marriage. Is that what? That means it's not that man that grant the marriage. You that need the marriage. If you need the marriage, you let the man settle himself. Let the man hustle for the marriage money. then you carry on with it. If you want to even support, it's just a little bit. Not that right from wedding gown, right from everything, DJ, because you say, oh, why? Then you come out in public, then people will praise you. Oh, hey, thank you. Now you sponsor your marriage. My dear, you are wrong. Very, very wrong. That people that lead you, they are leading you to fire. They are leading you to the wrong way. If you want your house to be peaceful with you, you better go back to that woman. Go and apologize to her. Take your husband, go and apologize to her. Even that's your husband. You have to use your own sense. You are in middle of your wife and your mother. You cannot allow your wife talking to your mother as if they are age mates. No. It's very bad, my brother. Why will you do that? Even though your wife wants to come out, if you have words of your own in your house, you need to stop her. If you do this, something will happen. Then you are even there. He tell you, honey, go and give me back. And you, Jama lady, because I don't have to call you Jama first lady. You are not first now. You carry last. Even I know men used to help their wife. Men help we women, but not like this. If your husband help you in your house, yeah, fine. It's really happened. Not that you come to public, you use him as a tool. Give me this, do that, do this. Many people will be many people are watching you. Many people are watching you. It's not you are not the one that is watching yourself. And secondly, the mother cannot be happy. Ejetoje, he sees his own son in social media, in YouTube every day without doing nothing. My dear, if it is you, how will you feel? How will you feel? We women, we need to empower our husband to work in Deutschland. When you work this time, future, you will enjoy it. When you are doing this, it didn't disturb the man not to work. When he go to work, anytime he come, you do your live video. The woman will not be even self as you are here with your husband, mother is in Europe here. There is some time a year, maybe once in a year, you can just buy Hollandis. Don't even tell her, don't inform her, just post it. Because I know she's not living in Germany. Maybe if she get the post, you will see your name and your data's there. My dear, see what I received. Mommy, I don't want to inform you. That is your Christmas gift. Yeah, she wants it. To train, if your husband is doing everything for you in a computer and he do everything for you there. If your husband don't go to school, how he will do it? The woman trained that man to be so. That woman trained him to be so. So you need to give that woman respect, full respect. He needs it, he deserves it from you. Not that you will come out. I believe that you have mother because I watched your video yesterday. Your mother, you call your mother. Your mother said I'm 35 years old. Your mother need to advise you, my dear. He need to advise you. If you don't have mother, I will say, she don't have mother. That is why she's behaving like this. You have mother. Your mother need to advise you very well. Because why? Your mother need to advise you. I will come on, ever. What way na fair nania? Uwa pa iyoda fun we. Uwa mo la di republic. Uwa ba upon uriye fo. E when ye bo takere. Ne mani ni ami me ke na ni gun akan. E do me we me ya diskwagwa we fo. Uwa mo yoda fun because we be do ma. Yo ma take ke ma zebo. But when onya kesu we ya we ha kesu we la di social media o ye bo atai. Ni dun ya hon. Oh, when on your part, your son, no man, my dear. since when onya wa we u se ti mo la ti an na gbon do ge nu jebu o kwa agbon igwe we because every ala no ho to guga me my dear ho guga me okeke na akoko mo bo kwa because amakoko mo renusu na gwaje na why ijo okeke na mama wi we ijo do e na panuge ijo do e na tuhumuge ọkùnrin náà mi ewu Nigeria kò yé sẹ́fọ̀ kò náà ó wí gbé ọ̀jẹ̀ náà lẹ́tọ̀ tán gọ̀dẹ̀ ìjọdọ̀ no matter bẹ́ẹ̀ náà rí ajé ẹ̀ because èèyàn bí òye ẹ̀ èèyàn kókó òye ẹ̀ ọmọ abún ọ̀bọ ọmọ abún òwẹ̀ ọmọ yà kí ọmọ ma wẹ̀ kó dédé kùn ẹ̀ ó kà tó kú nẹ́nẹ̀ because lẹ́ni ju wẹ̀jẹ̀ ó mọ̀ sọ wá embrace ju ẹ̀ kún ọmọ náà yà kókó ẹ̀ ọmọ easy ọmọ mi ẹ̀ nà ọmọ jẹ́ yà kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kókó ní ìyàwó ọmọ mi ẹ̀ nà jí ẹ̀ umami ene sonro mo e iko mo ma easy la wo iwa yo salo bo olokun yin yawe ya gwale menu kan ya yin yoku oni he aga e ma ogwa jowe kenu ya adu enu zona iya mo waria mentie iya wa mo waria we ti happy birthday so gari ya ijo ga fon we ko ri eri on e mi no gba uri ji no keke nene no mo no hu ye beri ewe eri ji ni je ona ho do yi avec pour maman ça no fifu hein de woni o wa no menti pani o no gweje gbe o ke de ya ro to wa e mo no wa bia ya ki wa o me be no share na ita o ku no we ni ejo mo ni bia ki ame ebe okian ebe poru e tin o te agwagwo because omo na ki je e so no ro mo ti gbagbe o ja no ro mo ti gbagbe o ja no ejo mo e ti na ohun pa wo pa na ro we ti yen zu egbe o to yo mo ki je e be guyo my dear awa guga ten emi egbe ayi gbaga emi na we re wo mai e ma iju gbe wa keke no ri ewe to tasi we ho o mi me kenu ri na e ma e gbodu ri na e ma o ile pe wo ari e be bo ki yo da fun e me we tabu nu ni ma o e menu keta de bebo wo ari ki yo da fun o gwa nu we kere ki ogugwe pa je na ogugwe e ba ki ogugwe e ba ni ogi ogugwe so la wowo iwe ni iri awe pa gwa le menu ari ma bagbe o yo da fun bagbe why are you yo da fun if I were you ona na data we e mommy la ho e o la motor a tray or a flight ya yin hodi wo wa deserve o wa deserve e wa ya ga bi evera bi ma kwa Nigeria o fi mi se kwa Nigeria we no koko le fi ola we bonia wa hian yo bi re hin o mo no su seji why bo ko ne gwa useberi yo ni ala mi ogu ka gwa gita ola itoge obi re je be we bi jo mo o je be la jan wo ma ya bugwa we la we pe la dia Warren mamia if you ask ni wali ti ewe ni egun de ma ta no ya kele ti ewe o ya pe we je wowo we die ati ma we iye kewu eyan jowe ije kewu eyan jowe we igun ni anu ki agbon enu se wu gbegbe te no mu le ibo inu ike ari o fon keru wo ke ogun a de no mu le isani no bere ne bi egbe nu ya pe kwa uta ugwa we ri ori egugwa oya ka mo bi e go bu eye kevi ahuye bo gugwa fa iji mani deri owe e ma me no be me ya gbe be ni ready obi o na wa tebe no ma hie ya iri bi no gbe yo ni san unu eni no ra eni egwe we ni je ga gun ino we deri wa time o da wo e ra ga gun ino we deri wa time o da wo e igwa gbe o me ba ni fine to na pa ya ta mo ma we e mi no gba bet we du gbe me ni du gbe be o ko da o ko ti e ije ge me ni hon e ma ta gele no a ije ke fi ti we gbegbe me na ro ma bi e ti be ta bi me o ira o ma be ta ma mo ma ta mo wo e ije wa da me o erio la owo je do we ya bo la won e mo na mi na egun ya nu eri yo mo ya gun eri yo mo ya gwa nu da we mo ho ni nani a una bi adona le to mwe kevi tota did you tell grandmom like this wari ahun je no ho wa boy ebe ni kia ebe ni gba ha wala nyiwe ni ai kwedo wala nyiwe ni ai wa iwa won to ne yo do ni o ki takun awon mo no iye be ta igbere gbe ye be ta awon mo no o me I don't really know. In my day, oh, do you get dohere? Because who said the message you want more backbone? I had it. Then I want more payre. I went to hero. Oh, we almost say, you don't make it say. In short, I don't know. I don't know what a bere. Ijo, you may yakin, lawa. You make a query because. Oh, when on my bioji, on my zen. La wo madame jayin mi jo da fun jayin ye e ma ni jo weke yan lead where ye ren yan lead where ye problem they are not supporting you at all they are leading you wrong they na wa nu do mo ana we ijo da fun we na total ona to ja no eje mo na gbe bana egbe awo ara nu egwe Deben wu denu ja hon ije ma gegbe oko we ugu ge beri oni umayi pia fanti iye ti webe una yare ba kaka ogbon igbe e ugbe ikiana ogwa agbo ma ba mi ma ani obo ne wa eno ba we wa izobo oya to takije odo amuni hugu kan emi yo mo no we do hubu mi amuni hugu kan obi e na nyunyu me no kekebe no rie we ni to bi e ma gwena ga oku no ma Igwo keke ni ate mo bi ani ma we oda fun yin me no yin eje me gwo oda fun gun we ga bi awo no ma wa mama ni je for 1 week or 2 weeks amebe ti e mo mi oni ku e mi je he o gwa di ku e we wa won dara mo pu enya agwa gbonfo beta ku a ga ku kwa kan ba ku e wa lebu eje ni ne na we eje wa lebu e kan unyimu gwa na gbi hu e beri yo wo gwa na yi kwa kan na yi ko hia kan pa e beri yo ni Bonso kwa kana ya gbo ya kiyon pa beri oni. Owe mo ni ka gwe gwa mi no mi o tai. Ebi ma o ma tai. No wa popo yu gwe gwa lo be le viewers wewe. Egun. Awe no mo ne gugun ebo ogbe. E ma no we no egun ya pe we ye wowo. Gun anu ke gun anu je. Gun o gunu. Gun wa isi ye na we bore iya ya magbe ne bodo do eku ede ayelala ari otejo ya kama we bono wa tonia ari otejo we ni amwe bonu e nutie nu mu ari ebijo ipedia ogbene ayelala ederi eruki haruki ha ebijo 3 days le we go e wari o amio wari toto amio wari ba abege e me iri exponu na just go there no need mo yari awaje lala gori ebe bono mase ni agebe nu yari bobo gi obi ere he no gwani nu gbo ugwe bi eleji ni agebe no ya fure nu he ogwanu bi omeneji e opa ifun opa sef ayo baba bu ama ewe omenne no mo bo mo we what's wrong with you wo we mi no gwegun wo mi no gwegun wo ke yo ma be sije be ne webo ugwa lo ma no ti no ne nwegwe Owa no ti no bo wa de no ma u ya zije wa go wrong all straight away no ti we na wa mo o gwa we na wa mo ade social media who da social media abuse dey na go do abuse family ibi Nigeria pa me o mo family are social media ibi Nigeria gwa we ibi Nigeria amu yo dori social media ibi Nigeria amu ro dori social media ibi Nigeria amu dori social media ibi Nigeria amu mo ri social media we bolo wugwa mi hi o salo bo aran je mi ba gbon hi ebi no wa so fo ba gbon so fo be mi obi bi e bo mo je Emma ebo na rima veri yo. Na rima we na hi. Wani ni ahun da e ya wi ma rima ni wa ri ma o. Wa ri ma. Ebo no create social media na. Iya ya we mi agbon. Ibie wo be, iya ya we mi akon. Ibie Nigeria na he no we saga. Wa mi efiti bi Nigeria na saga. Ose bo se igbegbe, ote igbegbe, obiera igbegbe, obije igbegbe, odoba me igbegbe. Why? Rudu wa na create social media. Rudu wa no a. La wo madam. Wa mi video na, e ni time awe. Ya yin mi jo da fun. No mo me ke na le Eugene we bo seve we. Ege we go bi je ko wa na wa ga we na enwa. Na te mo ta na la o. See me see you. Go we go o si ke we ne mana. Ya yin ye. No ya ga be no ya ga be me wo nu gbe yo to na. Ya yin ye. Because e kin we do na. Go we go. O se ke nu jene. Ya yin ye. Wa we sebe bo. Ya yin ye. Yin ya. Nu demo nu bia yo to. Ne money ne gbe ni make na ke money be mo. Ne gbe ni make na vie money be mo. Ya yin ye. Ye we baje nothing dey happen. Ebi wa happen. Wa na we bo nu wa je na. E ba igiogbe rodo wa. Aga Nigeria wa Jesus then. Mata na sunu. Osi kegbo ene. Eno na re we bo na yo ko be ni ana. Osi kegbo ebe wa na gbe balo aye be ke we bo ti e. Wa na gbe balo. Owo ni egbe balo ebe ni ya mi o. Egbe balo e. We gele on mi jo do egbe balo. But abu wa do hana. O ma hu e. So ya yin ye. U mi jo do no fu. Ya yin ye. Nu ge ko e make na fure. No make na le run nu wa. Erun wa mi jo wa. O so ma. Imeta ije no bibe na re ba wogu. But ijo do me ga re ba wogu. O fi mo pe fa na le run yo. Today is really helping me. Ye me le run make pa wo ware. But o ma here wa pa. O le run mo ma say 3 seconds wo ni wu. E mi na kwa lo ni ki. E ma here no wa ne. E so awe mi bobo kan. Ubi aya o ga wi di ye me no bu. Ya wa do mu e la tin ani wa do ki e pa. Ama e ni ye me awe wu no abe. O ya gwegbe. E u nyanga ugwe e hin atemo pa e ponu je o no jo abe gwa ponu we jo wa de mu gi yo da fon we bo ab me we Nigeria isukmo we do ina se na fi ari gwe na ije ko wu e upon ni ma gbajo be mi po awua that means you are jealous her o ya de fo no we ni ije gwe na we to tani yen yes obi e no ho di maji wa we no ho ni yari ba bi e we ama be ri ogo awe e gba na uga ne mi ya de okay na mi ewo omo nwaro ri ba ejo nu set up ani bi je set ya bi je nu ge pisire e marriage nu gu o ma gi o uni de e gba ti boy ma ni de marriage won ni de urgent na we ri awe vitali ama agba akwo pe ahia ja du ki o me. So, you go go away now. I don't know we marriage or even no kenu tala di any. Mi ne egbe. O magba. We am me na ujinu we te social media. O we ri e fo a. Ba me matter na. U ke gun ala di na awe ya ga oni no gbe yo da fun e. U gu set gun are. So the best thing na ya yin yo da fun. Wa be yin ne. We are there YouTube we ni. Do ta be nu ya yin he. Everybody will forgive you. But we wa una ije no hi wenwa hia ije mo no hi wenwa hia we no hi biene no wenwa hia ya ma ekomare ni ya ropa yo. Everybody is angry because o ho ni nu gbere ladian e upo we nu gbere ladian wa hia pope vera ige vera bi e kwa Nigeria o makoki ya o bi e kwa Nigeria ge no koko ye ni ya kwa ma ge umakwe no rie o ye umakwe o ge rie o ye omo ma easy. For 9 months in a low, joke. No way na we no be keke na you go hospital ga in Nigeria no. Who buy me your boy this Catholic ni we on that way she just hospital ni. E be ni me Jesus say. It wo wala ho wa me mi yo da fon he awe yo damage. Umi o very o. Do na me very o no go la dia my family wo wa na muri social media. Wala ho we na we de tu mi na mi o bono be pe nu wo ita ma we o. Gemi na ho ibe ni ku wa gbon hospital je wa gun me ma se we bi ropa usegbo udo azu wogo ona energy je kewu e ba that e ni bia keke na e pharmacy ga ya hospital ana ari Nigeria ba meme owe no ma we mi do e da me odo die uma we mi odo be ri meje me ma believe ga be boni wa we ran we risk kuro ni dia exist o ma Africa me we na wa si di me una gba ari oga fa una ari oga na ma mi ba gbode una yawo oga bazi omuwegbe o ma kan me because why egbo enu wejo ni meba ni you won bowo so we turn back to the person or we ni e ma be believe gegbe we you have sunu da me because you e da won e ma be believe go ma be eti we da me we afia mafia tete ba afia ma ifia we ji we maka we gbe we odo ma we mi down no ma we mi odo e da me odo die la wo ugbowo ni fia e ohun e fia e uwa gbe ekweku Jaimia omo ma isi na koko na training muri ewebo date ye ma train e computer ni egu we operate ni setting what's any na mana train we very yo gwa na mi wo operate computer ni ye why get to tell me no bugbe because emi nu wa no kele yo mu me badly ni ya mi video na ya kedo da do wa son me e na when nonsense na ube ejo ere ba ke baba eri ari beg bege eri awona ge ari otejo ya mo egbesugie ri ebegbesugie ma omi oga we ri ebegbesugie na isi ese ba de tori gbe wa ku e I praise you well nuna take akwen e German first lady ni o akwen e Nigeria first lady German first lady Italy first lady or all over the world first lady hi odaran sha we mi no guwa gwon wadam we mi no guwa gwon wu mi no ti ewe to tabu ode de tu mi wa no bu ode tie u ge se te we e no sense na hina ni a e me we gwa gwegwe hian be social media o wa la hian e no mania rubbish boss nu no bi on agbeyoda fun emi no gbari hian be no mo no gbejeje eri omo no gbejodo eje eri omo no gberaje emi no gba ema na o ya yin ye bi o da fun wa ya yin ye doni abejo oyin na be muti anu ara so gagan ju ohun idu eje no bi o ma mu ije no mu ebe ko ije no training we ije no leba ya koko we ije no mu ela webo o ma be reason one day we ije we no be no ri aje nu beti owo kan we ije we no ja he we be na he we bo guje me gwa we ya o o me ejo ere e mama swak la wo na se gbe na gwa no gwa so ma no do wa ya yin juwa ya yin ya make na for very yo ya yin juwe no matter about you ki or marry ebo e de no kokwe be de no mo be ko be de no ya ri o jaje mewe you can be happy iya gogo la wo ona ebude ni enu tina ya wi ati we ya imi we kin aka wo tina o ma be no ewe be wi jomo o call the program me watch ba o wi yen ewe so wa tina o eniwe wa igusie e de no pa wa omo eniwe wa igusie wa mi e ba gbon wa mi e wa iguri eni le ba di we jo da fun we on enu bi o me na o ma eniwe e ni here is that what that means we to buwe we bi o ma ekan we to buwe ma be easy wo ma kekan because don't ma kekan hin mi no gba wari eniwe le fi ebe na gwan egbe me say I will wa eni ma ye ti eme they call me my name nobody harm me nobody because ima wo ama we awo iwa ragbon tene na erun ya so we kian my dear bi ni se nu gerun lelu enyi ko nu eje bo lelu ebo alelu egwe nu je money fi mo no manu me mo yin agbon wo wa unyin me no keke e gbota we do ano money e wo wa mi no gba nu we no ta ni joda fon keke nu ti a ije won me na mo na we bi na no ma be ti beta ma me onu ta mo wo na gbe yin bo orun bi omo ni a ije o menu we ya ta mo bi omo me bo do ni e me ja tan be ri o nu sira eti ne no mo la re wa na mi na ibe mi dana e ko me gbe he me na bu nu e me ni kia oh Evie is this at a grandma like this me ni ki wo gon ase my dear ya yin jo da fun e mo pa ni ye tasin ya yin mi e yo da fun obo ya yin mi e agwo mo ba ebo agwo mo gon ebo gbe o wa no mi o da fun we ni o e go bi o kan kere no obo kan kere no we tab be told owa o ya o kan no ma wo won wa ya so wo no mi o e go bi o kan kere no u ga ti o na mi gbo e so de nu jago imati anasinya ma go ina gbogbo kan amaye o nu yo da fun we na o biere ma wa ta be o abe mi o ami o ko no di o da fun e de eri o tai go ri ja go khiana go ri je gbo ju nu na na ke mi e we bo na e ya na sunu so mi na new thing ama wo aga as a big thing oni ogi e no mu ji sa bo ye awi di secondly aweti iye gba lo iye guye je nínú ma no wo guye ji tu ma guye o fie go we fu abani owa ma we mi o ta me o do o ma we gbe veri oni o wa ri o we fu a o wa kun ni innocent o wa fi ma na fi anu ana he jo ere ba ge baba benu ma na we to he ije yen ri ma ku we yogo amera me ma we de je me ma we de ibi ma me ke la we gbe veri oni dan ne ya ri be bori ya wona na re ebi ati ege bi awon ati e vera wo ku wa we vera de o ma ri be bo ki e titi now come egun be careful it love we gbe e nonsense na wa do yo we wa mu me gbe agbe ya te wa be video we before I so much love it but iwa enu wa do na o wa do yo we wa mu me e do ko na je that is all your life we wa live ogwa we ma set ogwe ogwa we ma we bi abuku ode this is why na ha mi ya we agbon hia ogwo ma gbon na o ma si na ge we ya temi nekin amalagwa ebe na boy he amalagwa ebe na boy he just look at one no be tie ma na be abo ma te we bi ahuke ma kugbe character ni we no bu ga ni o we hia be ya ma no we hu kugbe ai ya uni ne ma ni be gwale ne huke ne bi hia iya be me nwuna o na huku wo ma be no je just get character we bola dian ni that means even ya no we wata re zero e ma no me nwa ni lelewe iya ewe most of the world nuta zero ndi yo even we wi da yo da fun gwe na meto bi me mete we gugwe gidi me ma ewe erise wari owo bo wa azan kan why ebe nu ewo atawe gbe ta o jagbon han tu wu yin ya ge uri ebe bo keri ege o no hia o we hia e katakpe thank God ebe gwo bi ere na ma si ze ebe yege o be jo ya gwe bet e ma ya na be hon be no ge ya gbo bo cause me na ga gwo egun uriye ugariye uriye umarie wo e ho na ya be ya hon e ho ya na we so gbo so o wa na bia yi ne e na muria o wa na bia yi ne e na zaga o wa na bia yi ne ta doleji emi asunu o me nu hia ubi o no ma toge la dia e wa ka we hi adaze no e problem wa so we na no sunu wo gwe ma ni bun beti ya matala dia ugwa o ga tai ama egwe ijo dolo mo bi ere wa wo udon mo bi fine when obi enwina ni ewe seso obi no die no because obi enwina obi a support okay obi rekin o ma ne omo owi yo rigo heponu na susa o igbe ade afiwe tupon ori yo mo ni yoge heponu na susa igbe ade afiwe iwe wa fi ayi nu pon na gba wekun isoso mo mesoso ki an ma o sa ojo mo re o iyo mo rigo eponu na suse igwe ade afiwe de ke no na ri ni go ebe na bi wigi ona yari o abi o he igu ne we do gbe mi la ado se sa gin ojo idin mi la ya ije mi omo na wu mi na lie o So wa me nwa wala agogo. Wa me nwa wa take time. Wa take time. Ipo mo salopo me na be run ba san ba fan. O ko no ma biete ya abi, o pe no ma biete ya abi. Because why? Usamo e use ne kere, e use na sagwe. Gume so baba na ni la hibo. U ga se fe bie. O salopo ami o ma fan bugwe. O won pa na ro wi ado mo mo ni wi ado ya kion kian wo agogo. For what? Omoni je gwa yobo e muri ewebo. O gwa aro ewebo wana. Ebe ni ja o. Ama we call. Udami we no rorie. In short, I don't know. You that phone wafu eh. She's a very quiet woman. Kaka boss ko honi. O favor we. Siko e wa enjoy. My dear. Siko e. O wa fu. O fu we ni ya gwa elo. Why go fu yen wa yi ko yon mo azen. But me looking at that woman. We lo ye be guane. Ona ladian. Do we ti wa e wa si we e wa re ti e bonu ya yen ya bian. On ma fon we ko. O. Wa wo se o se. Wa nu ti ni fi a bi je me. Oba ma gbe wo igbe. Upo riri aje ki aru ogbegbe. Upo e somebody ma we na mo yu hun yan. We understand it now. So ijuwe when ijuwe bu ode ijuwe gwegun mana to mother ijuwe na egele we ije no gbe yo mo o ma we ma die when ijuwe bu ode no bu ode na do mi ewe e do afinu gin abogwa dunu na kana agwa makoku e for you to raise your head up and talk to your mother-in-law usakan me no usakan ema emi no gba I don't me waiting that we no respecting her because you be your money. You will be your. So please and please go and apologize to your mother-in-law. La go. You are in here for the name of God. You are in here. La. So we na vie le no ro ito we ma we ni. Obi je mo yin we ni ban e ma. O ma gwegun. Dress do kin ado bo gwegun with social media. Dress responsible. You are gwegun. Mana. E wan ore Nigeria if you no do we na nia umu mahia ni rewe bu umu mahia gboto o ma ko ga agbon ya we ni na nia e ma na hunyi ma mo ha manyi na ila gogo my dear stop hey we e ma won mo da ho eri gun aje kian we be a married woman tomorrow when we are responsible now o donu ale lo ma gbe nu ara ya won mo do de gbe ni watch you social media don hear ya won you don't know cause that for ma ke donje udori amion wala wo wa gbene gbu wa ye gbe bi Nigeria wa gbene gbu wa ye gbe social media it's okay o bu gbe tu eti a we ala no ko to go game wala wo wa do so eri wa ta se be na Tina ya mi yo da fon o yo da fon no da fon e ma na ti o e ma je ni we ya le lo bo kan wa e mi ju e de ko mu e iju o mu ri social media adobo me wetin akwanya o je nwa ewe so why yin ya gi ma we me life je we iku ya yin ya secret nu yin ya openly mani dey okay na bye bye except yo mo na ma o ehin agwan ayo na ne nwa ehin agwan ayo na o ma o viewers bye bye wa we se o ma me gba ko e ti o sa lo bo choose